Hello guys, good morning from Portugal. Today I have, how much I have? 6 plus, 6, 18? 6, 16, 20 euro session, okay? I have 20 euro session guys. Hola, buen día. Tenho 20, sessão de 20. Vamos começar. Todas as novas raspadinhas. Okay, let's start. 20x. I have ticket number 37, 38. 37, 38. We're looking for 13, 14. I'm using this American coin from G-Sarge Scratches. Okay. 33. Ay, 2x. Woohoo, winner. 29. 24. 12. 22. 18. 34. 11. 2x. 2. Oh, Lord. 2x2. Of course. 4 euro. Let's hope this is a winner also. We're looking for 12, 13, 17, 31, 26, 27, 24, 33, 22. This is 12, 13, 13, 14. 16, 14, it's here. 35. So this is not a winner, obviously. Okay. Nova Bersam, guys. New version of Recompensa Reward. Se encontrar mais símbolos, Sheriff ganha a quantia ou suma das quantias. We're looking for Sheriff symbol. I have ticket number 26 and 27. Carosa, Tribo. I need this is Spora. Tribo. The repeat the symbol is not a winning symbol. And no. So this is not a winner. Let's go here. What's the odds of winning on this ticket? 1 in 3. Aye, winner! Woohoo! I found a win. Aye, 2 wins. 3! 3 wins. Wow, interesting win. 3 wins. 4! 4 wins. 5! 6! 6 wins! Wow! 6 wins. Oh, this is interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can be 20 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Confirm 20 euro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is confirmed 20 euro win. Wow, what a beautiful wins. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 5. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. What's going on here? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 20. Okay, so this is a 20 euro win, guys. Wow. So far, I only spent 20 and I got 24 already. What a beautiful win in a 3 euro ticket. It's a Nova Bersam. New version, guys. Wow. Nice win. Beautiful symbol. Sheriff. I found 6. Okay, so let's go to Rapido 500. Fast 500, guys. In the bonus area, we're looking for Rapido symbol or word to win 50. Okay, and then we're here in the main game, we're looking for Euro symbol. I have ticket number 13 and 12. Let's start with 12. Bonus, Rapido? No. We're looking for Euro symbol. The syrup is here again. I just want one more win. We're looking for Euro symbol. Come on, Euro symbol. So far, there's no sign of winning, guys. So this is not a winner. Ticket number 12. Let's go to ticket number 13. Bonus? No bonus. Sign bonus means no bonus. ATM. Hi! Winner! Woohoo! Winner! I'm so happy. I found a win. This is a lucro session, guys. Profit! Every time I only bought 2 every time, guys, and I always win. Good session. Excuse me, guys. I got cold. So only one match. The Euro symbol could be 500, 200, 100. Ah, 5 euro. Excuse me, guys. So I got 5 euro. It's not bad. The price of the ticket. And I got 4 euro. So all in every new tickets, I found a win. Okay, I bought 2 of everything. I got 4 euro plus 5 euro, so 9 euro plus 20, 29 euro. Lucro, no euros, okay? Profit of 9 euro, guys. It's a good session, guys. What a beautiful win is here. I found a lot of sheriff symbol. 6 sheriff symbol. I was thinking I found good wins, but no. Okay, but it's not bad, guys. In a 3 euro, if you win 20 euro in a 3 euro ticket, it's not bad. Okay, so I got all the wins in every ticket. Good multiplier and a win, and the star of the show, 20 euro win. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Forgara a todos. Ciao.